one is my first book. It's The Accidental Pirates, Voyage to Magical North. It was Waterstone's Book of the Month when it was published, and it also got shortlisted for the Children's Book Award, which was very exciting. It starts like this. Chapter 1, Laws of Motion number 1. A moving object will continue in a straight line unless something happens to knock it off its course. Some say this is also true of stories. Alderman Boswell's Book of Scientific Knowledge. Now, this book stars Brine Seaborne, who is about 11 or 12 years old. She doesn't actually know because she has lost her memory. She was found drifting in a rowing boat at sea, and no one knows where she came from. She doesn't even know her real name. They called her Brine because it's another word for seawater, and Seaborne because that's what she was, seaborne, sea carried. At the start of the book, she is working for a magician, which might sound exciting, but he is horrible. And she is bored, she hates being there. She wants to get away and find her parents, and find her family if they're still alive. Her chance comes when she joins a pirate ship. Now, the pirates are on a quest for a place called Magical North. Right at the very top of the world, they say, there is a place which is so magical that if you stand there, you can see everything in the world. There is one thing Brine wants to see more than anything else, that is home. And so she travels with the pirates. Maybe if they can find Magical North, she will be able to stand there and find out where she came from and if her family are still alive. Or maybe they'll just get eaten by sea monsters on the way. It really could go either way. So that is The Accidental Pirates, Voyage to Magical North.